So guys, now we are this video is about announcement of assignment 2 by the name of hash tables and Python dictionaries. This is our announcement about the assignment 2. So this is our video and we are starting hash tables and Python dictionaries assignment 2. Okay, this video is only about announcement. Okay, so, but this assignment too, we cover all thing which we cover in our assignment in our lesson too. We covered the all thing in this assignment. Okay, so please see this whole assignment too till the end. So in today's video, this one video is about introduction. That's why announcement. That's why this video is so smaller. Okay, so please like this video, share our friends, and subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to all the notification bell also. And this video just for announcement. That's why this video is very smaller. So now I meet you next class and next video amazing class. So for today, goodbye.